Date's the 22nd of May 2023. We have Orvaketie Julvägen 8 Tekesei here in Tikkurila, Vantaa, Heske's horse region, North Finland, and this was built in 1999, probably autumn 1999, but it was finished late in 2000.
Yeah.
And there are 4 floors here. You can watch the Tekes B here. December is 1304A. The capacity is 8 persons or 603 grams. So far, the oldest Schindler Smart we've seen.
Yeah.
We'll see if we'll find more, but there's still the Schindler D interior here.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected next year, 2024, when it will be 25 years old. Just has 2 rides here.
Yeah.
And it has a Schindler logo by the door right here.
Mm.
And it's in good shape.
Yeah.
There's no door close button here.
Yeah. Inspected by Giovanni and maintained by Koni.
Yeah. We'll go to the Tekes as well.
Yeah.
The run green circle around the first floor for the main floor.
Yeah.
I like the Schindler D type of edge here for the car. It's typical.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's